Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of FTX wallet using your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Let's say you've opened up your FTX wallet on your desktop browser over here. In order to log out of your account, you'll need to find your email address at the top right hand corner. Simply give it a click and you should see an expanded menu pop up. Click the log out button at the bottom of the pop-up and you'll be able to log out of your FTX wallet account using a desktop. To log in back again from the main homepage of FTX, click the login button at the top right hand corner. Enter your email address followed by your password. Make sure to enter your credentials correct and click on the login button to log in back to your wallet. That is how you can easily log out or sign out of FTX wallet if you're done using your wallet for the day. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.